Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back once again to Crypto Income Daily. And today I am back here on this channel to share with you the CryptoFlow bot trading opportunity or project, call it whatsoever, guys. Now, I always ask this simple question: why do you have to trade manually when a bot can do this for you? Well, I think CryptoFlow bot is really a game changer, having gone through it, having experienced it for a little over a month right now. Okay, so just a quick one before we actually dive into this today's short presentation overview. So a risk disclaimer here: I am not your financial advisor, okay? And don't follow me blindly. Don't follow other influencers blindly. Always remember, cryptocurrency prices fluctuate a lot. And before you get into crypto trading, be sure that you understand that crypto prices fluctuate. And always do your own due diligence first before you join any project. I don't own any of the platforms I talk about. I am just diversifying my portfolios. So don't follow me blindly once again, like I said. And remember, cryptocurrency price fluctuates. They go up and down very often. Take note of that. So having said so, now let's just dive into the main business. So again, why trade manually when a bot, okay? When a bot can actually do this for you guys. So come meet CryptoFlow bots. Your bot that trade 24/7 for you, okay? It's simple. You don't need any experience with this bot. It carries out automatic trades on your behalf, following a smart strategy. Your money remains yours. Your money stays okay. Your money stays your money. Your funds, your trading capital remains in your Binance or your Bybit exchange. Like you can see, this is my remaining balance that is on my Binance because we connect this bot through what we call API bind. And if you come to the API bind page, you can bind either Binance or Bybit. You can see I'm trading with Binance and it is selected. You see that it's this API that enables the bots to actually read your balance on your Binance or Bybit and trace with it. However, it can never touch your funds. It can never withdraw your capital. So you are in total control, and this bot gives you your time back. No more staring at charts and analyzing. It has built-in smart strategies, take profit levels, okay, auto risk management, and so on and so forth. Zero emotions, no panic. It doesn't rest, okay, just real strategies. So you really just need this, like Binance and CryptoFlow bot. These are the two apps you need, or Bybit and CryptoFlow bots. Then you just really get started with this bot. This is really a game changer, I think, because this bot has got almost everything you needed, but you never got them in other projects. So you just connect your Binance to the CryptoFlow bot via API. All right. And what happens is that once you connect it, it starts trading for you. What you actually need to get started with this bot is just a Binance or a Bybit account. Then $120 for the bot subscription for a whole year. Then you get fuel fee, that's $10 to deposit onto the app, the bot. And then your trading capital of a minimum of $50. That's all you need to get started. So a minimum of 180 USD can get you started with this life-changing bot. Right now, if we come over here to trades, you can see that we have these are open trades. Right now I have 8 trades that are open. They are pending, okay? We call them pending trades because they are waiting to flow into profits. Then the bot is going to close them. We don't have any crazy floating losses here because this bot has got excellent features. If I take this trading pair Sky USDT, for example, if I click here, you check the details, you see that it has got a stop loss. So this is a stop loss. When it hits this price, it's going to stop the loss. So you don't get all your capital wiped out. This is to tell you there is zero liquidation here. You can never be liquidated. Unlike other trading bots that got your account liquidated into hundreds or even thousands or tens of thousands of dollars in the past because they didn't have smart features like stop loss. And then take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. All these are set automatically by the bot. And also the trading, the coins or the tokens is the bot that analyzes their market and selects which coin to trade with. It trades on the top 100 coins or ranked on coin market cap. It doesn't go and be trading on newly listed coins, crazy meme coins. No. It has got DCA. It has got its own DCA, dollar cost averaging. and it doesn't just put all your capital into trade at once. So these trades are waiting to flow into profits. Now let's see how closed trades looks like. If you go here, you see that these trades have been closed. It said these are profit, 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 profit. And one thing I want you to realize is the bot uses what? Custom what? Leverage. You see here, this place is 3x, 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 3x. Let's go down and see. You see here 4x, 4x, 4x leverage. All these are run into profit. You can see 3x, 4x, 8x, 3x. You don't have to select the leverage. The bot knows how what particular coin it is and what leverage it should use for it. So unlike other bots or manual trading that you have to struggle to do those sort of stuff, the bot does everything. You see that auto, 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 auto. These have been closed into profits. So for you to run to make profits, the trade will have to flow either in floating losses before or in floating profits before the bot closes them. So floating losses are part of the trading, and they cannot be profits without floating losses because the market is going up and down and the bot is just monitoring. When there's an opportunity for it to take profit, it closes the trade and takes profit. You can see all this auto, auto, auto. You can see all these are profit, 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 profit. I did not do anything. There is a bot that did everything for me. Okay. So this is insane, and I think this is a game changer. I am not hyping this. But I'm a bit experienced in the online space when it comes to using bots, and I've always mentioned it that I have used a little over 17 different bots, and CryptoFlow bot so far from my experience stands tall and unique not because it is perfect. It is never perfect. It doesn't control the market, but it has got inbuilt features for capital protection and risk management. So you can never be liquidated. Okay. If you come here, you can see this account already in total $207 profit made in a win rate of 74% in trading of what? 46 trades. Okay. Now, if you come over here to earnings, how you can also see everything. You come over to earnings and come down, you also see how the graph is. You see that 496 trades have been closed. It won 417 and it managed 56, meaning stop losses. Stop loss is very important because it prevents your capital from being totally wiped out. Let's say you're trading with a particular trading pair, a coin, and you put in $500 or $1,000 in the trade. If the trade goes against you adversely, let's say market is bleeding, and because you're using leverage, if you have a stop loss, because the bot auto puts in stop loss, if it hits that, you're going to hit it and your trade will close. You only lose a small percentage, like 3% to 10% maximum of your trading capital, instead of losing everything and wiping everything to zero, which we call liquidation. So if you come here, the bot everything is transparent here. The top performing pairs are here. You see here the best trades ever, and then the worst trade. The toughest day. This was when Bitcoin bled crazy dip from all the way from $70,000 to $58,000 within a pace of 2.5 weeks. Billions of dollars were liquidated from the crypto market, and a lot of manual traders, they were all wiped out. All their trading capital was lost to zero. But this bot prevented my capital from being wiped out, and it hit stop loss, and I only lost for $24, which is insane. That's why I say this CryptoFlow bot, I think, is a game changer. Don't get me wrong. I am not hyping this. I am speaking from my experience. You may have your own experience as well. But for me, having used other bots in the past, this is top notch. You can see that each day the profit is made. And it's not compulsory this bot will make you profit each day. No, some days it will not even close a trade. But these are some. This is $700 capital I'm using, okay? And the bot is trading. See that various days it has an amount that it makes, which is insane. If you can just make $1 a day, you are just some steps away from what? Beating poverty, okay? Now you can see that these are how will you feel like doing this, creating potential daily income without you involving. You are offline, maybe doing your other businesses, maybe playing tennis or whatever, but the bot is working for you 24/7, even if your data is off, and it just costs 120 USD for a whole year. Other bots, they will charge you like $200, $500 per month or even per year, and they're not even performing. They are still very, very manual. You have to go through so many stringent setups. You have to do the analysis, select your own coin, and then come and enter. But here, this bot does everything. You can see this was the toughest day. That was in June, the biggest loss. You can see loss after that loss. You can look at the various profits made. Look at it, 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 look at it. Can you see here? This is it, guys. So we are so happy about this part, and this is it. I always believe that results always beat conversation, documentation always beats what? Argument, and that is it before you. Okay, so you simply turn on a button. You turn this off. If I have maybe like, if I have less than $300, you just transfer it on your Binance futures. Then you just come here and go auto futures, automatic futures. If you do that, you just turn this on. The bot is going to do everything for you. It manages everything, plus the market analysis, selection of coins, dollar cost averaging, sizing, take profit, stop loss, everything. It closes trades, enters again, closes trades, enters again, 24/7. You do it once and the bot is working it for you. So below $300, you just turn on this button with 7 seconds. If you have more than $300, you just come over here to what we call strategy, and then you click on strategy. Okay, you see we have strategy participants here, and all my capital is already into trading. Okay, this account is trading with $700. We don't hide anything here, guys. We are not convincing people to join. We are not luring people. We think we are sharing something that will help people to stay away from scams, because you are in complete control of yourself. So you come to strategy, and then whichever strategy you use, it's $100, $200, $300, $500, $1,000, $2,000, or $5,000 strategy. Whatever strategy you are using, the partition, it means the bot should put. Let's say if you select by hand $100 strategy, you are telling the bot that it should use what, a maximum of $100 to trade each coin. If you are choosing $200 strategy, it means the bot should use what, a maximum of what, $200 to trade each coin for you. So, for example, if you have $1,000 and you come here, which of the participants want to use? Perhaps I will go for the 1,000 to the 100 strategy, because 1,000 divided by $100 is going to give me what, 10 coins for me to trade. The bot is going to trade maximum of what, $100 per coin. So you just select it. If you also have maybe $2,000, you can select the 200 participant. 2,000 divided by what, 200. That's what, 10 coins. You're going to trade each coin with $200, and you just select click on it once. These are all locked because I don't have extra funds to unlock them. So if you have funds, it will be clickable. You click on it once and then go down here. You come down here and make sure long is turned on. In this case, I have turned it on. Make sure short is also on like this, and make sure smart DCA is also on. You turn it on. Now it's already on. And just come here where it says bot pause. You just tap on it to turn on the bot. How many seconds? Just few seconds, less than a minute. Because I'm teaching you that, it even took me less than a minute. Because I'm teaching you that, it even took several seconds. If you come here, you then say custom mode running strategy, because I selected a strategy. Who can't do this? And if you're an experienced trader, in fact, an advanced trader, that's saying, hey, you need to add more features, you need to do the board, customize the board, do whatever. It also has what you call signals, that you can come here, you can even enter signals. They provide signals. Outside here, we have people that are even charging people to give them signals to trade. But here, the board gives you signals, and these are optional. You can come here and trade the signals and add them. Look at this, for example, there's a signal that was dropped 2 hours and 36 minutes ago. Ethereum short. Okay, it's futures. Both spot and future signals are given. You have long signals, you have short signals. You can come here and enter them if you have extra capital, and the bot is going to take over again. The stop loss, the take profit, everything, they work as the same as the automatic trading. And if you're an experienced trader, maybe you know how to even go to trading view. You can do your own analysis and get the trade. You can also go there and then really try, okay, do your own chart analysis and come and enter your trade. So guys, this is insane, and nothing beats this so far from my experience. This is it here, CryptoFlow bot, which I think is a game changer. Now, a lot of people are really making game changing results here. Let's check here. You come here, you see that these are trading profits of some members. You can see here. Look at this, $237. Okay, today alone in the morning, $22, $10, $30, $22. Okay, a lot. You can look at some here. Let me just bring it up here for you to see. Okay, $519 in July. Look at $50, $22, $2, $3, $64, $30, $47, $43, $34. That is it here. Guys, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You just need capital here. The bigger your capital, the bigger your profit. That is it. That is trading. Look at it here. Crazy, crazy, crazy profits people are making. Even if you are making just 50 cents a day, but it will go a long way to change your life. These are all proofs. Okay, a lot is happening. So check